All right, well, I tacked it together, and it's looking pretty good. I'll give you guys a look at it here, what I'm doing. So, the end of the door there, just different round stock coming up the door. So you've got something to set that skin off the door jamb. And then when you close the door, it comes out right. Skin comes out right. I ended up having to cut all this. The guy had it welded there. Yeah, he had it welded here. And then he had it welded together here. And it was just pulling the door completely out of shape. It had it leaned back too far. And so, cut all that apart. I'll get that all put back together once I get my door skin looking good out here. So, nice long journey here. Like I said, we're still going backwards. So, that's alright though. Getting it ironed out. Alright, well, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Later.